Hi all, Michelle Visser here, author of Sweet Maple, host of the Simple Doesn't Mean Easy podcast, and creator of SoulyRested.com. Before we go any further, I want to explain. I'm really excited. This month I'm celebrating 10 years of Solely Rested. And to celebrate, I pulled together some friends. There will be 5 of us putting together 10 pantry staple recipes and giving them to you and actually making them with you in the weeks ahead. We're going to be sharing all of our ingredients over on Instagram the middle of every week. And the idea is that you can pull together everything to make sure you have what you need on hand so that you can join us when our YouTube videos goes live on the weekend. So once a week, 2 of us will be inviting you into our kitchen and making these pantry staples with you. We're calling it the Pantry Staples Summer Challenge and Giftaway because there's also lots of great fun prizes. So don't miss out on any of this. Go to the link in the description, and I'll put it here on the screen too, and sign up to get a daily reminder. You can actually enter this giveaway every single day from now through July 1st. So, like I said, don't miss out on any of this. There's so much, and we're so excited to be doing this. I am happy today for a couple of reasons. One, it is late spring in New England, and things are finally turning really green. Green makes me happy. It's still chilly though, so I have my warm sweatshirt on. But we're going to be going out today, and I'm going to take a delicious snack with me. This is a snack that I love to take in a little bag in my backpack when we go hiking, or I will also just toss it in my purse when we're going out to do errands. But the amazing thing about this snack, okay, there's a lot of amazing things about this snack. First of all, it is so easy to throw together. Even though it's that easy, I keep it in a half-gallon jar available at all times because I also choose this often as my kind of guilt-free, pretty good for me, nibble on kind of snack when I'm just wanting to eat a snack. But I'm trying to avoid, the excess eating of a snack I don't need. This actually, I hesitate to tell you that it's a trail mix because it's actually a lot more than that, but that's what it is. And it's only 3 ingredients. I source all of these ingredients from Azure Standard. You could probably get, I was going to say all of them, no, maybe not. You could definitely get 2 of the 3 at your local market or grocery store. I prefer to go to Azure because they are pretty much the watchdogs of all of the food that they offer. They keep really close tabs on their providers, and they are only sourcing the best ingredients. So I like that it's kind of a no-brainer. I know it's going to be a choice, good option. And on top of that, usually when I price around, 9 times out of 10, it is a far better price than I could ever get on a similar item if I go to my local store. If I could even find it at my local store. And like I said, one of these ingredients you won't be able to find at your local store because Azure makes this. I'm going to leave a couple links in the description. I had the founder of Azure on the podcast a while back, and it was fascinating to talk to him and to hear about their processes. And we talked all about sugars, natural sugars, complex sugars, how to choose a good one. I think you'll really like that episode. I also had the chief marketing officer on, and her and I talked about 3 ingredients that you really need to know more about and think more about when you're choosing them. And one of them is in this trail mix today. And she explained to me that they actually make these carob chips. They source them from a different location than usual. Often carob is a very bitter taste, but because they source it from, I'm not sure. I'll link the show notes or the episode because I'm forgetting all the details now. I need to go back and listen myself. But because they source it from somewhere unique, it is a much sweeter carob. And then they add mint to the variety that I use for my trail mix. So they're a mint carob, which tastes like mint chocolate. They're so good. Whenever I can, I choose carob over chocolate for this trail mix because the raisins are a natural source of calcium. They actually give you about 10% of your daily needs of calcium in every cup of raisins. And I don't want to inhibit that calcium absorption in my body by adding chocolate to the trail mix, because chocolate actually inhibits the absorption in your body of the calcium. So you're really negating the benefit of the raisins if you're enjoying this snack, because it is high in calcium and so good for fortifying your bones and your teeth and all that stuff. But carob instead actually aids your body in absorbing the calcium. So this is a huge deal for me as a menopausal woman, that I can get my calcium from this snack if I make sure to add carob and not chocolate. On top of that, carob helps you feel full. So just small bites of it will tide you over, and it actually will help you with weight loss. And it even helps with gut health. So it's like a win times 3. Carob is delicious. Now, of course, in any trail mix, you need something sweet and something salty. Ideally, the raisins are great for the sweet, and the something salty, instead of peanuts, I add something that is high in protein and a delicious snack. I add pumpkin seeds. So come with me, let's gather up our ingredients and let's make this trail mix together. Okay, let's grab our ingredients. Actually, I already took the pumpkin and the raisins in. Here is my mint carob. I also have a non-mint variety, but I don't use it as much as the mint. I love the mint. But I will mix the carob in with desserts like chocolate chip cookies, and I'll use the coconut sugar chips from Azure as well. I will link in the description to my recipe from last video, where I use these and I explain why the coconut sugar is important, to me at least. Okay, so let's mix this together, but I'm realizing maybe I should call this a 4-ingredient trail mix, because I do add salt. It's not necessary, it's up to your own taste, but typically when I'm wanting or craving this snack, I'm craving something salty, and I absolutely love Redmond real salt. I use it for everything, but I especially love it in this trail mix because I am adding 60 plus trace minerals to all those other great nutritional reasons that this snack is a great one for me to grab. So I will add that to my raisins. Whenever I add a layer of raisins to my bowl, I'll sprinkle on some of the Redmond salt, because I feel like the raisins hold on to the salt the best of anything. You know, the chocolate and the pumpkin seeds aren't going to hold on to that salt. And the pumpkin seeds are salty, so it could be that you don't need the extra salt. So try it both ways, see what you think. Let's mix this up. Grab our jar. I was a little off. I don't have quite 8 cups there, but that will be good for today. I love these lids. Oh, I should show you because they have a nice seal, but they're quick to open and pour out a small bowl full of trail mix or a bag full to take with me wherever we're going. So there you have it. It's that easy to make a snack that is going to boost your energy. It's going to give you protein. It's going to strengthen your bones, boost your iron levels, help you feel satiated, not be as hungry, and even aid in digestion and help with gut health. It's really a good overall snack, this 3-ingredient trail mix. I hope you give it a try. Leave a comment and please subscribe to the channel. Both of those things help tremendously to small content creators like us bring you more content that you want to see. So thanks for being here, guys.